Today we will be doing lesson 29, session 5. We will be finishing up this lesson today, and then your child will be taking the unit review as like a quiz in the book that you can check over just to see how they do on their own. Okay, so we're going to get started with number 1, 33 math books and 27 reading books. What is the total number of books? Okay, so there's 33 math books and 27 reading books. What is the total number of books? So we know that we're going to be adding 33 plus 27. Here's our 33 and here's our 27. So we can count our tens first and then count our ones. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So a total of 60. 33 plus 27 equals 60. So that is 60 books. The other way that we could have done this to make it a little bit faster is we could have crossed these out. You don't need to do this, I'm just showing you to remind you. And then you could have drawn your 3 here to fill that in to make a new 10. And then we could have just counted 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We still would get to the same answer. Okay, number 2. Find 72 plus 22. The fastest way to do this would be to add your tens and then to add your ones. So we have 7 tens and 2 ones. We have 2 tens and 2 ones. If we add our 7 tens and 2 tens, we have 9 tens. And our 2 ones and our 2 ones, we have 4, which gives us the answer of 94. There we go. Okay, number 3. 17 gold stars and 29 silver stars. How many stars in all? So we're adding 17 plus 29. Now remember, when you're on your own, you can do whatever strategy works best for you. Okay? I'm going to draw my tens and ones. So for 17, I'm going to draw 1 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to draw 2 tens and 9 ones. For 29. And now I'm going to move one of these here over here to make a new group of 10, and then I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 17 plus 29 equals 46. There's 46 stars. Okay, number 4 is reviewing how to do the number bond. So we're finding 13 plus 65. So when you break apart the number 13, you have 1 10. So we're going to put 10 inside this circle. And 3 ones, which is 3. And for 65, you have 6 tens, which is 60, and 5 ones, which is 5. Now we're going to add our tens together and then add our ones together. So 10 plus 60 is 70. 3 plus 5 is 8. 78. You even right here could say 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. Still get to 78. Okay, number 5. 48 circles and 35 squares. How many shapes in all? What is wrong? Explain. Okay, so they broke it apart into their tens and ones. So 48, yes, is 4 tens and 8 ones. 35 is 3 tens and 5 ones. So they added their tens together. 4 tens plus 3 tens is 7 tens. 8 plus 5 is 13. Then they added their 7 tens plus 13 ones, and they got to 73. If I draw 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in the number 13, there's another 10 and 3 ones. Let's count that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. So what is wrong? They got to the wrong answer. But what happened was they forgot to add this 10. They just added 7 tens and 3 ones. Okay? So what is wrong? The answer is 83. They forgot to add a 10. Okay, and now find 65 plus 18. So you can, again, you use whatever strategy works for you when you're doing this on your own. I think it's easiest to draw out the tens and the ones and count them, just to make sure that I do it correctly, even though it does take a little bit longer. So 65 has 6 tens, 4, 5, 6, and 5 ones. And 18 has 1 10 and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I see that I can move some of them over here, some of my ones, to make that more of a 10, to make that a 10, not more of a 10, to make it a 10. So I'm going to take 2, and I'm going to add 2 over here, and I now have a new 10. And now I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. So 65 plus 18 equals 83. Okay, so what you're going to be doing next is the end of unit quiz on pages 686 to 688 on your own. Okay, so this is just like the quiz that you would take online to make sure that you understand the unit of the double-digit addition, because we have gotten to the end of our unit on adding double-digit numbers. And our next unit that we will begin will be on length and measurement. All right, have a good day.